In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell a coin on eBay. Start by heading to eBay and clicking Sell at the top of the page. This takes you into the seller area where everything begins. From here, click Create Listing to open a fresh product draft. Don't worry if you're new. eBay guides you through each section. In the search field, type a simple keyword like coin. You'll see suggestions appear. Choose the option that best matches what you have. Picking a close match helps eBay drop your item into the right category and pre-fill a few details, saving you time and helping buyers find your listing faster. Next, upload your photos by selecting Upload from Computer. Use clear, well-lit images on a neutral background. Show the obverse and reverse, and include close-ups of the date, mint mark, and any notable details or imperfections. If the edge matters for your coin, include that too. High-quality, honest photos build buyer confidence and reduce questions. Now, add your title. Make it specific and searchable. Include the year, country, denomination, mint mark, composition, and grade if known. For example, structure it like year, country, denomination. Mint mark, metal, grade, or uncirculated. Avoid all caps or symbols that don't add value, and use the available characters wisely. Fill in the item specifics. These are the structured fields buyers often filter by. Things like year, country or region, denomination, composition, certification, and grade. If your coin is professionally graded, include the grading company and certification number. If it's raw, select the most accurate condition available and keep it honest. Write a clear description. Summarize what makes the coin desirable, note any flaws, tuning, or cleaning, and restate key details from your title and specifics. If there's a backstory or provenance, include it briefly. Keep the tone professional and avoid promises you can't verify. Set your item price. Research similar sold listings to find a realistic number. You can choose a fixed price or run an auction. Fixed price is straightforward, while auctions can drive interest if demand is strong. Consider enabling offers if you're open to negotiation. Configure shipping. Choose a reliable service, set a reasonable handling time, and package the coin securely in a protective holder and sturdy mailer. Include tracking for peace of mind and add insurance for higher value coins. Make sure your shipping cost and delivery estimates are clear. When everything looks good, click List It. Your coin is now live on eBay and you're ready for buyers to find it.